What you saying, gals and gents? Welcome back to my YouTube channel where we live life the affordable way. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to find the right lock products that works for you. And believe me when I say this, we ain't struggling no more to find the right product. I am here to help. I am here to share my journey with you. First things first, you got to know your hair type. When it comes to locks, knowing your hair type is so important because everybody has different hair types. So you have to find out what kind of hair type you have, set yourself in the direction you really want to go. I am going to say this, and it takes me a long time to realize this. Just because me and you have the same hair type does not mean the same products that I use can work for you. That does not mean that. Genetics does play a role in a lot of things that we do. So I just want to put that out there because I feel like people don't really be real when it comes to that part. Like, you know, you come from a long hair growing background and now you're trying to send me your oil and that oil ain't working for me now. So always keep an open mind to that when you're in your trying process. Another thing that I learned on finding the right products that worked for me was my hair reacts to how my hair is at the moment. When my hair is retwisted, it acts a certain way. When my hair is out, it acts a certain way. So this is what I had to realize as well. If my hair is retwisted in a certain style, my dandruff will start to flare up. If my hair is in a less tension style, my dandruff doesn't come at all. This all comes with knowing your hair and knowing when to use your products. So this is why we go into routines, which brings me to my third point. Routines are very important because you have to know what your hair needs and when it needs it. These are the things that you learn on your loc journey. This is a process, and when you're on your loc journey, you always should come into mind with knowing, hey, this is a process. It's going to take some time, but I can figure it out. Always focus on healthy growth. So let's talk about the products that I actually use on my locks and what brought me to them and why it works for me. My locks got healthy by me just paying attention to what works for my hair and focusing on the health. Just how I am with my food, watching every ingredient, is the same way I am with my hair and the products that I use. The shampoo that I use today is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Shampoo. I use this shampoo because this shampoo comes with a lot of healthy products that is beneficial to me. Shampoo title already gives it away. It has Jamaican Black Castor Oil. If you know anything about hair, you know Jamaican Black Castor Oil grows your hair and strengthens your hair. Like, everybody know Jamaican Black Castor Oil is that jam, that go-to. So if a product got Jamaican Black Castor Oil in it, you know your girl got a jump. It smells amazing. There are plenty products out there that smells amazing, but it's very harmful to our hair. And choosing the right shampoo is very important because our locks can hold products. You have to choose the right shampoo, or else when you wash that out, your hair still will be looking white and you're trying to figure out what's going on. Or if it doesn't turn white right then and there, later down the line it will turn white and you'll be like, wow, what's going on? Aside from Jamaican Black Castor Oil and the shampoo also has apple cider vinegar inside of it. If you know apple cider vinegar, you know apple cider vinegar helps us take a lot of product buildup out our hair. So Jamaican Black Castor Oil is in the shampoo, apple cider vinegar is in the shampoo. The shampoo also provides a lot of shine, a lot of moisture. My hair does not feel dry when I use the shampoo, and my hair feels extremely washed. Like, my scalp feels clean, my hair feels not dry, and it's not heavy. The important thing about the shampoo is it's also cruelty free. Who doesn't want a cruelty free shampoo? So Shea Moisture, 10 out of 10 recommend. It did take me a long time to get here to find the shampoo, but I'm glad I found it because it works. Let's get into hair oil. We just talked about it in the shampoo. The Jamaican Mango and Lime Black Castor Oil, just Jamaican Black Mango and Lime Castor Oil, works wonders if you have locks or even for natural hair. Like, this is that tea. When I first started using this oil, I could tell right away that this was working for my scalp. Like, it literally nourishes my scalp. Like, even if you look now, you can see that my scalp is shining. This literally nourished my scalp. Like, if I had any itching at the time in my scalp, like, I don't have it anymore once I apply this oil. Hair growth, As I just said, I always focus on the health of the hair, and hair growth is so important, and healthy growth is important, because you could have growing hair but then your hair is thinning and it's not thickening up and it's not growing like how you want it to grow. So healthy growth is also important, and this provides a lot of healthy growth for my locks. What I do like the most about this Jamaican mango and lime oil is the products aren't harmful at all. Like if you look in the back from your hair, certain products have castor oil, sunflower oil, kernel oil. You know this coming straight from the ground. And one thing I can say about it, it isn't thick. Like it is not thick. If you use Jamaican black castor oil, Sunny Hours edition, you know it's a very thick oil. This oil is not thick and it doesn't have a harsh smell. Like it smells amazing. However, I do alternate in between the two, but my current oil right now is this Jamaican mango and lime oil. Like this is my go-to right now. I give it a 10 out of 10, and like I say, it did take me a while to get here because I was losing a lot of beauty supply store oils who was triggering my dandruff, just bad for my hair and making my scalp my scalp didn't feel nourished at all using beauty supply store oils. So I was so happy when I found this brand that worked for me. And be sure to always do your research on certain oils. Like there, more than likely there's always a review there, and I always go for the bad before I go for the good, because I just want to see why that one person had problems with this oil. Now we're going to talk about treatments. I didn't say anything about any conditioners or anything like that. That's because I always do a hot oil treatment on my locks. I just find that works for me. That moisturizes, that conditions my locks, that just gives me everything I need. So we can go into natural treatments. This, you know what this is? Rosemary. This is the rosemary leaf. I literally boil this leaf and make rosemary water for my hair when it comes to treating my locks. If you've done any research at all, I sure you came across rosemary water. Like rosemary water is so good for your hair. When I tell y'all my locks grew tremendously using rosemary water, I saw a difference within a month just using rosemary water. One of the main benefits of rosemary water is stimulates hair growth, and it also thickens up your hair. Like my hair, I have very thin hair, like I mean thin. So for my locks to be this thick was shocking to me. It reduces dandruff and itchy scalp. As you can see in this video, I talk a lot about my dandruff because I have to use product that helps fight against dandruff, just because I don't want to trigger it all. And it also helps strengthen and moisturize hair. Like you can always tell somebody who is using natural products in there. I'll show you a clip of how my hair looks. This is how my hair looks now. Like very natural, very thick, always shining, and that's the look that you want to go for. You always want to go for healthy locks like that. And now we're going to talk about scalp condition grease. Now I know grease could be very harmful to your locks, but I use grease when necessary, when I have to use, and the grease I do use is Sulfur 8. We still keeping our fingers crossed. I don't use it as often or in every single routine, but I do use it. So I'm going to put this product here just because I do use this product. It's been working for me. Treat my dandruff overall. So sometimes I do, just moisturize my scalp with it every so often, just to avoid any breakout as possible. And these products are very low maintenance products. Like I say, I always look forward in look in the ingredients, see what's working, see what's not working, and you'll be able to tell what's working from what's not working in your hair. But these are all the products that worked for my locks, and it took me a long time to finding the right products. So I just wanted to create this video because I know it might be somebody who is just starting or somebody who's already in their journey and looking for products to use and trying to find the healthy route. So I'm just giving my products that I use on my Faux locks in hopes to help somebody else who experienced the same thing I experienced. I went through a lot of trials and tribulations before I found my go-to products, like a lot of trials and tribulations. So I'm so happy to share and make this video for you gals, and I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more lock videos, beauty videos, lifestyle videos, everything you need on the channel. Thank you so much for watching.